Hey out there, YouTube. How we doing today? Or I should say, hey, all you viewers of the Eliminator, how we going? Yeah, missed that opening up, but I don't care. We're just going to roll with it, all right? Today's review was basically brought because of a Facebook ad. 556 Body Ops CQB Beard Oil is here on the channel. Alright, what caught my attention right away about these guys on the Facebook ad is they talked about veterans and a redneck got together and produced this stuff. Alright? It started making me go, veterans. Alright. I want to check out your company. I got a lot more questions than answers, but that's just me. You can find them over on www.556bodyops.com. They are made in the USA out of St. George, Utah. Now, okay, hold on. I gotta pull up this other pic because normally I give you a whole bunch of, like background information, all that other fun stuff. I'll be honest, I really did not want to write all this down. So, if you guys want, hit pause, read that at your leisure. Okay. Yeah, we'll let that flare back in. Okay. Now, the other thing I think is cool is they talk about giving back to a lot of charities. So basically, every single product that they sell goes right to a certain charity, which makes me go, okay, so you're basically supporting 5 different charities in your fledgling little company. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Now, like I said, they say they are veteran-owned, but I don't know. Can't really confirm it. And I'm not calling them liars on that at all, so please don't go down that road. Now, as of July 1st, 2020, this is going to run you $14.99 on their web store. It's a 1-ounce black, rectangular shaped bottle with an eyedropper top. Now, the scent on this is fresh cut wood, rosemary, and peppermint. I'll be honest with you, I hardly ever picked up the wood, but I did get the rosemary and peppermint. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of you out there going, gee, sounds like another company. But let's be honest, everybody has pretty much similar stuff out there. And if you're kind of curious about that, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You're going to see a lot of similar scent profiles sitting in there. Now, the scent strength on this, I gotta say, it was really low. It was really, really mellow in my beard. I could smell like rosemary and peppermint for about a good 6 hours. It wasn't overpowering, but it was just like, oh yeah, okay. It was just there. Now, there is an awful, awful, awful lot of stuff packed into this. I'm going to break all those down here real quick. Grapeseed oil, olive oil, marula oil, M-A-R-U-L-A oil, coconut oil, almond oil, baobab, B-A-O-B-O-B, and I'll break that down in a moment. C12 through 15 alkali benzoate, I'll get there too. Sunflower seed oil, broccoli seed oil, hemp seed oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus leaf oil, and peppermint oil. Now, I'll be honest, I really haven't run into that baobab before, and I'm sure I'm butchering that pronunciation, alright? So I had to go look that up. And it's known for its regenerative abilities. It helps soften skin, high in vitamin A, B, C, along with omega-3, 6, 9 fatty acids, basically containing magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Alright, so sounds good, right? It doesn't sound like anything that's going to burn your beard off or, cause damage to your skin. Now, the alkaline benzoate, they say it's used in a lot of anti-aging products. So, okay. I know it's in a lot of women's cosmetics, but, it's one of those, why would you put that in a beard oil? That's just me. All right? It's got a 5 out of 5 star rating on their web store, and it has 3 reviews. While I know that everybody's beard journey is different and it affects everybody's beard differently than everybody else, I really do not believe, as most of those reviews stated, that this is the greatest beard oil on the planet. I just don't. It's one of those that I can see in a big box store that you pick up because you want to help support charities. You're like, oh, hey, I'll buy that. A portion of sales goes there. Okay, well, heck, I'll do that. I did like some of the artwork on the bottle. I'm sorry, because like I'm in the alternate filming room today. Even if I get lights in here, it just whites everything out. So, yeah. But yeah. I don't know, guys. It worked. It didn't do any damage to my beard. Did it make it feel really baby butt smooth? No. Not really. It got in there, and I could feel things. It didn't make my beard feel dry, but it didn't make it feel really smooth. It was in that weird, what's going on kind of thing when I wore it. And I wore it for like a week straight, trying to give it a chance, trying to give it a thing, trying to move on with it. Yeah. I don't know. Like I said, I got more questions than answers with this company. Would I go back to them and buy again? No. I wouldn't. I'm not beyond impressed with this. I'm not in love with it. It's probably going to be a giveaway to a friend here really, really soon. Being honest. I grabbed it because I like the name 556, which, is around, Yes, for those of you out there, it is a bullet. The fact that they're stating they're veterans. I want to help support brothers. But yeah. This is another one. I'm not going to do my usual stuff at the end. I'm just going to kind of do this. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Have you used 556 before? Have you tried them? Do you know anybody who's tried them? Have you had any successes with them? Like I said, it was one of those times where you're talking about something, Facebook hears you, then all of a sudden you're flooded with ads. Doubt me. Try talking about toasters or cars. I guarantee you're going to see ads for those on Facebook. But still, guys, I'm going to kind of leave it there. You're going to see the usual stuff popping up on the sides. Like subscribe and videos and all that fun stuff. I don't have much to say other than I tried it, not a huge fan. If I don't give it away, it's going to sit on a beer shelf. That's about the only way I can put it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day and you're being safe out there.